Top 5 Spoon Holder. Number 5, NelyBet Flatware Organizer. The NelyBet Flatware Organizer is a versatile and stylish solution for keeping your kitchen essentials neatly organized. Featuring 3 separate compartments, it efficiently stores cutlery, utensils, and other kitchen gadgets, making it perfect for countertops, dining tables, or outdoor events. Its classic design includes padded feet to prevent scratches and sturdy metal handles for easy transport. Measuring 13.2-inch length, 5.6-inch high and 3.8-inch width, it offers ample space for forks, spoons, knives, and more, while also serving as a multifunctional organizer for camping, office supplies, or cosmetics. Ideal for everyday use, parties, or as a thoughtful gift, this caddy combines practicality with a timeless aesthetic. Number 4, JANKNG Stainless Steel Cutlery Stand. The JANKNG Stainless Steel Cutlery Stand is a sleek and functional storage solution designed to organize up to 24 pieces of flatware. Made from mirror-polished stainless steel, it is lightweight, only 250 grams, and versatile, adapting to various tableware types. Its hanging design allows for easy placement and mobility, making it perfect for kitchens, dining tables, or events. Ideal for homes, parties, or restaurants, this stand combines practicality with a modern aesthetic, keeping your space tidy and stylish. Its compact and durable construction ensures long-lasting use, making it a convenient and decorative addition to any setting. Number 3, Glad Spoon Drying Rack. The Glad Spoon Drying Rack is a compact and efficient kitchen organizer designed to keep your countertops clean and clutter-free. Featuring 6 slanted compartments, it neatly holds spoons, forks, chopsticks, and other flatware, while 3 padded knife slots protect both your knives and fingers. The upright design allows water to drain directly into the sink, and 2 ventilation holes promote air circulation for faster drying. Made from durable plastic, it includes a removable silicone mat and detachable top divider, both dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Measuring 6.25-inch deep, 4.25-inch wide and 6.5-inch tall, this versatile drying rack is a practical addition to any kitchen, ensuring your utensils stay organized and your counters dry. Number 2, YIUKEA 360 degrees Rotating Spoon Holder. The YIUKEA 360 degrees Rotating Spoon Holder is a versatile and stylish countertop organizer designed for convenience and functionality. Featuring a 360 degrees rotating design with a handle, it allows easy access to its 4 compartments, perfect for storing cutlery, kitchen tools, or office supplies. The elegant floral design and hollowed base ensure cleanliness and ventilation. Made from premium, thickened metal with a durable, wear-resistant coating, it offers long-lasting stability. Its multifunctional use extends to organizing makeup brushes, pens, and more. Easy to assemble in minutes, it's ideal for kitchens, offices, or outdoor events. Number 1, Lyellfe Silverware Holder. The Lyellfe Silverware Holder is a stylish and functional countertop organizer designed to keep your flatware and small items neatly arranged. Made from lead-free, food-grade stainless steel and paired with a high-quality bamboo stand, it combines durability with a rustic aesthetic. The set includes 3 containers 3.5-inch diameter by 4.3-inch high spaced apart on a 13.7-inch length stand, each capable of holding 5 to 8 utensils. Its elevated design and drain holes promote natural drying, while the versatile compartments can store cutlery, kitchen tools, pens, makeup brushes, and more. Perfect for kitchen or desk use, it's a practical and decorative solution for organizing everyday essentials. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.